Hello everyone. Today I will share a simple way to revive a drill battery using an old broken item that most people would normally throw in the trash. In many cases, a battery left unused for a long time simply becomes weak rather than completely damaged. So before buying an expensive new battery, spend 5 minutes watching this video. The first step is always checking the charger. Place the battery into the charging dock and watch the indicator light. Nothing happens. No blinking light, no charging signal. To confirm the problem, take another battery and insert it into the same charger. The indicator light turns on immediately. Now place that battery into the drill and press the trigger. The motor spins smoothly. This tells us the drill and charger are working normally. The faulty battery is clearly the problem. Mark the good battery and set it aside so it will not be confused later, instead of throwing the damaged battery away. Try waking it up with a small boost of voltage. Many workshops have an old laptop charger somewhere in a drawer. This one is a 45-watt adapter. Cut the protective jacket off the end of the cable and expose the wires inside. 3 wires appear inside the insulation. Twist the copper strands neatly so they are easier to handle. Which country are you in while watching this DIY project? Let us know below. Now identify which wires carry the voltage. Plug the laptop adapter into the outlet and bring out the multimeter. Touch the probes together first to confirm the meter is working correctly. Switch the dial to the DC voltage range. Then test the wires one by one. 2 of the wires will show a stable voltage reading. These are the power lines coming from the adapter attach. 2 small alligator clips to those wires. The clips make the connection easier and safer during the next step. Wrap the connection tightly so the contact stays firm and stable. A solid connection helps electricity flow smoothly. And remember to cover the exposed metal with rubber insulation to keep the setup safe during use. The third wire does not carry power in this case. Wrap that one with electrical tape so it stays insulated and cannot touch anything accidentally. Take the weak battery and place 2 washers on the positive and negative terminals. The washers create a larger contact surface. The goal is only to raise the voltage slightly so the original charger can detect it again. Then connect the alligator clips to those washers. Positive to positive, negative to negative. The laptop charger indicator light comes on immediately. This shows that current is flowing into the battery. Leave the connection in place for a few minutes. The goal here is not to fully charge the battery. After waiting a short time, disconnect the laptop adapter and take out the multimeter again. Measure the battery terminals once more. Now the meter shows voltage. Connect a small LED test wire to the terminals, and the light turns on clearly. The battery now holds a basic charge. Place the battery back into the original drill charger. This time the charger recognizes it immediately. The indicator light begins blinking, which means the normal charging process has started. Allow the battery to charge for about 2 hours so the cells can recover properly. After charging finishes, remove the battery and install it back into the drill. Press the trigger again. The motor starts instantly and spins smoothly. A battery that seemed completely dead can often be revived with a simple voltage boost like this. The process takes only a few minutes and uses tools that many people already have in the workshop, instead of buying a new battery. A small repair like this can bring the drill back to life and keep your tools working longer. Now return to the loose hinge screws on the cabinet door. Drive the screws back into place. The hinge tightens securely and the repair is complete. if this repair helped you. Try the same method with old batteries in your own workshop. Many batteries that appear dead can still be revived. Share your results in the comments so others can learn from your experience.